Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Essential GraphRAG, Knowledge Graph Enhanced RAG, written by Tomasz Bratanich and Oskar Hane.
LLMs can follow instructions and produce complex outputs like haikus. A prompt is the input text provided to the model, which can be a question, statement, or topic. Prompt engineering is the art of formulating instructions for an LLM to achieve precise results. LLMs are trained on vast amounts of text, often containing over 1 trillion tokens, which are the fundamental units of text. LLMs have limitations. They are not aware of events or information that are not included in their training dataset. For instance, ChatGPT's knowledge is up to October 2023, so it cannot provide information about events that occurred after this date. LLMs can also generate outdated responses and hallucinations, where the model produces factually incorrect information. Users should critically verify LLM responses by consulting reliable external sources. Building a company chatbot using an LLM requires addressing these limitations. Making company information public for LLM training is not ideal. Instead, combining LLMs with external knowledge bases can overcome these limitations. Overcoming LLM limitations through additional training involves understanding the training process, which includes pre-training, supervised fine-tuning, reward modeling, and reinforcement learning. Pre-training is resource-intensive, while supervised fine-tuning involves providing specific examples to improve the model's responses. However, fine-tuning can lead to catastrophic forgetting, a phenomenon where the model forgets previously learned information in favor of the new data it's being trained on. Research shows that LLMs struggle to learn new factual information through fine-tuning, making it a complex and evolving field. To enhance response accuracy, the RAG approach includes relevant facts or information directly in the input prompt. This reduces dependence on the LLM's internal knowledge base and minimizes hallucinations. The RAG workflow empowers LLMs to generate accurate answers. Here's how it works. After a user asks a question, the system retrieves relevant information from a knowledge base. This enriched context is then fed to a large language model trained for question answering, enabling it to provide a more comprehensive response. The RAG approach is popular due to its simplicity and efficiency. It is also part of the ChatGPT interface, where the LLM can use Bing search to find relevant information before generating the final answer. Retrieving information from a knowledge graph supports RAG applications. Knowledge graphs integrate structured and unstructured data retrieval strategies within a unified database system. Structured data is organized and consistent, while unstructured data captures the complexity and subtlety of human communication. This approach allows for efficient storage, retrieval, and contextualization of complex and interconnected data, making it ideal for RAG applications.
Get this book at Manning.com